Exercise is something that is necessary to keep your body in shape, and as you get older, it definitely becomes more of a pain in the ass to do. This is the Urban Sentinel. Let's get into it. So I'm out here in my local park, and it is on a god-awful hot and humid day. Why I chose to be out here, I don't know, but I'm going to show you 5 exercises that are simple, easy to do, that you can use to help maintain and improve your fitness. Exercise number 1, the push-up. Plain and simple, getting the mass of your body up off the ground repeatedly. Nice, easy. I'll show you a couple variations. I'll do about 10 reps on it, and so that'll cover it. You want palms down, about shoulder width apart, feet back, chest to the ground, come back up, down, come back up. You can do some variations. You can get a wider stance with your hands out like this, coming in that way. You can bring it in closer, lift your butt up, and move in towards your palms. Then come back out, come back up again. If you still haven't developed the upper body strength, you can use your knees to support, feet off the ground, angle forward, building your strength up that way. Once you've gotten through 5 reps, rest, do 10 reps, rest. As you repeat this process, you'll get stronger, you'll get better at it. Push up, 1, done. Exercise number 2 is going to be the pull-up. Now, pull-up and chin-up, the function is the same, but they do target slightly different muscle groups depending upon the grip. So with the pull-up, your overhand, thumb towards the bar, hooking around. Pull-up, your underhand, your thumb pointing back towards you. With that primarily said, doing the pull-up, you're working a lot of your shoulder, your upper back area, you're engaging some of your core. Doing it the other way with the chin up, palms towards you, you're really working on the front of the shoulders and the biceps, primarily doing all the heavy work. Now another variation, or it's a combination really, of pull-up and push-up called a muscle-up, which I have not done in quite a long time, but we'll all laugh together at this. Now this piece of exercise equipment also does have dips. I'm going to do a couple on here, but there's actual set of parallel bars I'll go to, a little more room. So exercise number 3, the dips. That's really working the triceps especially, but also your shoulders and in your core as well. I'll head over to the parallel bars. And it's still part of exercise 3 with the dips, but it gives me a little bit more room to do a little bit more work. Also note that the bars are, ooh, yeah, gonna need a minute. Exercise number 4 is sit-ups, but more specifically core work. So I'm going to show you actually 2 types of exercises. One on this station right here, it's actually going to be effectively back arches, sort of like a reverse sit-up. Now what that primarily is going to be working is your lower back, developing those muscles all along the spine, strengthening that section of your torso. Still part of exercise number 4 with the core. Going to be doing variations on the sit-up. Now sit-ups, of course, aren't just simply for developing that sexy 2-pack, but it also helps with total body stability, carrying weight, turning, maneuvering, bending, squatting, all that sort of thing. Exercise number 5 is burpees. And it's number 5 in my routine because after I'm done with this, I'm going to slap myself across the face for doing them in the first place. But you'll look up and you'll see there are numerous ways to do burpees. I'm not going to say what way is a right way or a wrong way. They all have a benefit no matter what. I'm just doing the ones that I learned to do the way I was shown how to do it. So that's what I'm doing next. You get the combination of push-up, squat, which is an exercise I did not do separately. You do work your core and you work your upper body and you build a high level of cardio endurance and personal self-loathing. It's a beautiful combination. So those are 5 basic exercises you can do to help maintain or build up your body for SHTF, or just in general not feeling so quite crappy the way you might be feeling. That's it for now, and I'll catch you in the next one if I don't die.